In this video, I will show you how to make highlights on your Instagram profile. So to get started, click on Instagram, and then you can see here I have already some highlights over here. So if you want to make a highlight, just click here, add new. Then here, let's say we want to add these ones to our highlights. Then click next. Then I'm gonna call it my first, and then click done. Okay. And this will create my highlight. You can see it here, and you can also add a highlight in a different way. So let's say you have created a story, so I'm going to quickly create a story. So I'm going to click here, this is my story, then I'm going to click here, your story, and then click share, then not now. Then we have to add two highlights here, and I'm gonna add it to my first, then click done. And just like that, we have added it to our highlight. You can see here. This is how to create highlights on your Instagram profile. That's pretty much it for the video, and thanks for watching.